Well, hey everybody, this is Mike with Clog Squad. We have the Clog Dog going down a toilet right now. The blockage, I think, is about 15 feet away. I know guys are always curious about it. You can't do it with every toilet, but Mansfields are pretty good. Kohlers are pretty good. I try them with everything. You know, if I can't get through, I can't get through. But now let's see if we can get the blockage to drain. I'm on a second floor, so I know I'm not, there's no roots are involved. It's just going to be something soft. So hopefully we don't have to pull the toilet. And that thing is going to start draining.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Just like that. Then I'll put the camera in there and make sure everything's gone. But yeah, that's how we do it. Just nice and easy through the toilet. Don't force it. Don't force it into the blockage, and everything usually goes pretty good. All right, thanks for watching.